Welcome to today's guide on creating your own WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channels are a great way to connect with a wider audience, share updates, and build a community. If you're looking to expand your reach and engage with people directly, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the updated steps for creating a WhatsApp channel. First, you'll need to open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Make sure that you have the most recent version of the app installed on your device. This ensures you have access to all the latest features, including the ability to create a channel. Next, navigate to the Updates tab, located at the bottom of your screen. This tab replaces the old Status tab, so if you're used to looking for status, you'll find channels here now. Once you're in the Updates tab, look for the Channels section. You should see a plus icon next to Channels. Tap on this icon and you'll see the option to Create Channel. Select Create Channel to begin the setup process. WhatsApp will then present you with some information about channels, including privacy policies and guidelines. Take a moment to read through this information to ensure you understand how channels work and what's expected of channel admins. Once you're ready, tap Continue to proceed. Now, it's time to customize your channel. Start by adding a channel name. Choose a name that accurately reflects your channel's purpose and is easily recognizable for your audience. You can always change it later if you want. Next, add a channel description. This is a brief summary of what your channel is about, so potential followers know what kind of content to expect. Make it engaging and informative to attract more subscribers. You can also upload a profile picture or icon for your channel. This helps your channel stand out and reinforces your brand identity. Use an image that is visually appealing and relevant to your channel's content. Once you've added a name, description, and profile picture, tap the Create Channel button to finalize the setup. Congratulations! Your WhatsApp channel is now live and ready for you to start sharing updates.